In the metals quadrant, taking a look at the September gold futures contract, which had a reversal higher, and by that I don't mean it's reversing a down move from yesterday. That's not the case. As a matter of fact, crude oil counting today has been up for the last 3 sessions and 3 of the last 4 sessions since some pretty weak price action prior to that. But crude oil dropped during the morning session today, down almost 3%, 2.92% at 96.52, and then it reversed higher in the afternoon and kept tracking towards those highs. September contract 199 was the high, up 1.58%. And as I mentioned in the close, we basically finished up about 1.25%, so toward those upper end of the price range. And as I mentioned, 3 consecutive sessions now up for crude oil. Now, looking at the dollar, typically, historically, there's an inverse relationship between commodities and the dollar. It doesn't work every time. It's not a trading strategy, but it could have been part of the reason that we got some support on crude oil later in the afternoon, is the dollar is having a really bad day against the majors. Worst day since mid-June. The dollar is down almost 1% against the euro, 1.3% against the Aussie, 0.4% against the sterling, and 0.6% against the Canadian dollar. Pretty much flat against the yen. So that would have been supportive of crude oil, all else equal. Could be part of the reason that we came off those lows and went up. But it really does seem, when you look at the last 4 days since President Biden's trip to the Middle East, OPEC is giving no signs of a production hike as of yet. It may still be forthcoming, but it certainly could be one of the reasons that crude oil has been up, although it's been up very little, really, relatively. This has not been the strongest 3-day up move that we've ever seen in crude oil.